Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is how to create map in Tableau, especially if you are using accounting data. So let's go to our Excel file first. So first of all, Tableau works with uh, some some sort of data. So you cannot add data on Tableau, and the most usual, unless if you are working in a huge company and so on, is working with Excel. So here is a bunch of companies, energy companies all over the world. And here we have the total assets. So this is our first map, a world map with total assets. So let's close it here. So let's save it. And let's open Tableau. So this is the first screen of Tableau to a file, Microsoft Excel. Here we are. And let me find this file, Accounting Hub, Excel file, mapping Tableau. And by the way, the Excel file is in our video description. Okay, so first of all, we have two sheets over there. One called companies, the second one called states for our second map. So let's drag companies here, drag tables here. And what do we need to double check? Our map will be based on countries and where the country info is. It is here on our third column, and we double check here. So it is a globe. So wow, it is a geo info. And let's geographic role, it is country. So we are good here. And sheet one, it is quite easy to create a map. We just go to the geo info here, country, and we drag this info to the main station here. And okay, here we have the map. Okay. However, I don't think it is a beautiful map. So we have companies all over the place here. However, we have only dots. Let me put my here. And here we have two unknown. What does it mean? We have around 2,000 info, and two countries were not found on the map. So we go here. Let's just double check our error. Edit locations. Ireland Republic off. So this is Ireland. So let's double check here Ireland. And we add it here, and then Tableau uh, will make it right. Korea Republic, Korea, South Korea. So South Korea here. And Tableau will add the info to the order uh, for these two remaining countries. However, we wanna, okay, our total assets is our accounting variable. So we want higher circles here, higher bubbles here, depending on the size of asset or the sum of assets of all of these companies. So total asset, we move it to size. And here, US, the largest one, and then Russia and China. If we go to the mouse, here we have it, Saudi Arabia, and here we have some. But man, I don't like this bubble map. The most beautiful, in my opinion, is a color. We have Bolivia here, very small one. So what do? We move this sum here, that is our total assets. Instead of size, we move it to color. And now our map is much beautiful, much more beautiful. However, we cut our US in half here. How do we move it? If we take here and move it, it will not work. How do we do that? On this arrow here and this cross. And then we can move. So, okay, this is our standard world map here. I don't like this blue color. I want to change it. Come to color, edit colors, and there are plenty of other colors. For instance, orange instead of blue. So you can do it. I don't want these total assets here. Click it here, hide cards, and here we are. Uh, we wanna name this one. We have two options. Either we come here and then we can type our name here, or if we rename our sheet, word map assets, we have word map assets here, and we double click, we can change the size, we can bold it, we need to select it, we can bold it, we can put it on center, and we can insert a lot of other options, or we can type additional stuffs here. Okay, we can do that. Okay, guys, so this is the first map, the country map. We have a second map that is only one or more than one country, no problem. But we will be working with states instead of countries. So let's close it here. I will not save this one. And let's open our Excel file again. So let's open our Excel file. Excel file again. And we go to the second sheet, states. On your sheet, you have a third column here called country. We will be working with that later. So we have the US states here with, I think it is a total taxes of 2018 that they, in a lot of $1 million here. So, okay, let's create a map here. So let's close it and let's open Tableau. This is my little baby. She's gorgeous, right? Let's go. Microsoft Excel. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Did it. Sorry, guys. File. Open. And accounting hub here. Excel. Map. Now we will be working with states. So states here. And states, geo area, geographic role states. That's good. If it is not classified right, just change it here. And let's go here, states. And we have nothing. And we have 51 unknown states. How do we fix it? We have two ways to do that. The first one, just like the country, we add it. And here, country, it is not Afghanistan. So we find the United States. Okay. And now we have the United States. And we can go Texas on color here. And we can also label it if we want it. For instance, states, we go on label and we have the name of our states here. There are some ones that we're not able to because it's too small. But we have here, or only the two letters of each state's Tableau also find it. Okay? Or what is our second option to avoid that first error? Let's close it here. No. Let's open the Excel file again. Here, mapping Tableau. And states. Let's create country. United States of America. That is, how do you have in your file? Now it's beautiful. Let's close it. Go back to Tableau, Microsoft Excel, map in Tableau, and it, states. And now we have two geographic roles here. The first one, country. The second one, state. And let's see if we can fix our error. State here. We still don't have it. Then we go country. We add it here. And now we have our states. So we add state and country. And our total taxes on color. Oh, taxes on color. And country is also here. Cool. Oh, California is the largest one. And then here, Minnesota, where I live, and so on. And everything else is the same. So label here. Well, but our label is not the sum. We got it wrong. How do we fix it? Click on this label, throw away, country, label. That is also wrong because we want state label. And here we have our states. Okay, guys, so that's it. Uh, like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. Subscribe our channel. Like this video if you want. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day. Thank you.